There you have it, guys, your banana porridge courtesy of Moya Moy's kitchen.
What's up, kitchen gangers? How y'all doing? Welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. In our kitchen today, we're going to prepare some Jamaican banana porridge. Oh yes. Yes, and did I tell you that we are doing a porridge series? Yes, so I want you to comment below your favorite porridge, and I'll be cooking that right up in Moya Moy's kitchen. I'm giving you 5 seconds to click that subscribe button. Yeah man, please do it. I see you, boo, I see you, yes. Thank you so much for the love. For your ingredients, you need cinnamon, nutmeg, I have some coconut milk powder, I have vanilla, salt, banana, and I'm using 7 bananas. I have my cinnamon stick, sugar, a little bit of flour, and I'm using 3 different milk, which is coconut milk, almond milk, and condensed milk. So there we have it. Hey guys, so the first step is to bring your water to a boil, and what I'm adding is my cinnamon stick, a little bit of salt, and my coconut milk. And remember, we want to whisk that out. The next step is to combine your flour, a little bit of nutmeg, and your cinnamon in a bowl, and you're going to whisk that together because you'll be adding this to your mixture, right? And this will aid in the thickening of your mixture. And you're going to set aside this, and then we're going to start blending our bananas. The next step is to add your bananas and your milk. So I'm using almond milk to blend my bananas, right? I'm going to add my bananas, and you need a little bit of your flour mixture. Add a little bit of your, probably half of your flour mixture to this, right? And then you're going to blend. So you're doing the same procedure until you complete all your bananas. Add your flour mixture. And then you're going to blend. By the way guys, if you don't want to use milk to blend your banana, you can actually use water. That is fine. So you pour your mixture in a bowl. So guys, what you want to do after 15 minutes of cooking, you just add your sweeteners, and I'm adding my vanilla, a little bit of sugar, not too much, about half cup there about, and then your condensed milk. There you have it. And then what I did was to pour my coconut milk. So you add your coconut milk also at this point, and then you're just going to whisk together, and you're going to allow it to cook for about another 5 to 7 minutes, and your porridge will be done. Yes! Now this smells real good. It's pretty interesting that I don't drink porridge, like none at all, but
smells good. This sure smells good. There you have it, guys, your banana porridge, courtesy of Moya Moy's kitchen. Now remember, guys, when you do your porridge, please send me a picture or video so that I can load you up with the kitchen gears, yes.
Now that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you do try any one of our recipes here from Moya Moy's Kitchen, don't forget to tag me or send me a pic or video on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. I am all over there all day, every day. Okay, guys? And please leave a comment below with your favorite porridge so that you can see me whip it up right in Moya Moy's Kitchen. Until then, goodbye!